Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve Instagram online problem. If you're experiencing issue with the Instagram app such as being unable to use certain features or encountering errors, here are some steps you can take to try to resolve them. First, you have to go to the Play Store, look out for the Instagram app, and what you need to do is update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app. Go to the Google Play Store in Android and simply tap on the update option if there's an option showing you in your Play Store. If not, then just know that your app is already up to date. Or you could also restart the app, open the Instagram app and simply close it just like this completely. And this can sometimes resolve minor issues. Or you could also restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve app related problems. Or you could also check for network issues, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Unstable or slow connection can sometimes cause issues with Instagram app. Or you could also clear app cache and data. What you have to do is simply press the app option, go to the app information, select storage and cache, and in the bottom there we could see clear cache option and the clear storage. You can do the both, and this can sometimes resolve issues with the app's functionality. Or you could also log out and log back in. Sometimes logging out of your Instagram account and then logging back in can resolve issues with the app. And this is how you can solve Instagram online problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.